Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial section, I'm going to explain the first modeling feature called the extrude. And first, let me select a plane and then click on sketch. And go to sketch view by pressing the space bar and selecting the normal tool. Or else simply press Ctrl 8 from the computer keyboard. And then here I'm going to draw a circle, select the center point and draw a circle like this. And then click on exit sketch and go to features, and here I'm going to select the extruded boss. You can increase the extrude length by providing some suitable value here. For example, let me type a value of 50. And you can also use the midplane option to create a symmetric extrude on both sides. And also you notice that I have a draft feature to create the taper angle to my extrude. To activate this, select this and let me increase the taper angle like this. And now you see that my draft is created, and now you notice that my draft is created inwards. If I want to flip this, just select the draft outward option. And now my draft feature is applied on the outward direction. And also I have a thin feature to add the thickness to the model. And here I have the one direction, or else if I want a thickness at the midplane, I have this midplane option. And finally I have a two direction in which two thickness value will be given, and I can apply the thickness by providing some value here. And here let me give some value of 2 and then give a check mark to it. And now my extrude feature is created. And now I'm going to explain the other options in creating the extrude. So I'm going to select this face and then click on sketch and press Ctrl 8 from the keyboard for normal view, and here I'm going to draw the another circle and then exit from the sketch. And now again I'm going to go to extrude boss. For example, if I want to create my extrude at a distance offset from this surface, I have to select the offset option. So I'm going to give a value of 20. And now you see that my new feature is offsetted at a distance of 20 from the sketching plane. And also I have the other options to extrude from a surface or a face. I'm going to select this, and here I'm going to select this surface here. And now you see that my feature is extruded from this surface right here. And I will explain the other depth options in the extrude command in the extruded cut tutorials.